Good job. Good job. What's up? I've got a big chunk of money now. So I'm going to use that online casino to make some profit. Well, I guess you could say I've returned to my main battlefield. Yeah. Seriously, how much is this big chunk of money? 300. 3 million yen? Yeah. 3 million yen. So I want you to film me playing at the casino and show it on the stream. Hey, I think my very way of life will be reflected in my Baccarat playstyle. So I'll profit from the stream too, like a live commentary. Film a man who's putting his life on the line. Well, going all in on life. Let's see how much this 300 will actually turn into. Yeah. Just watch and see. What do you mean, how much? You'll probably just lose it all. No, not at all. 5 times is the same, but I think 1500 is a sure thing. Is that really okay? Well, it should be fine. Film the screen too. Right, the screen too. Yeah. You mean you want me to edit it? Yeah, edit it and then upload it as a video. The fun of Baccarat and the greatness of online casinos. I want people to see the way of life of a man chasing his dreams. Because I play Baccarat more than anyone else. Now, to start with, it's already recording. Okay. This is definitely gonna be banker. Yeah. But the first round is important, the first round. I want to see too. Whether you win the first round or not changes your luck for the day. They pulled a natural line. You idiot. That's no good. I went with 20,000 yen to start, but it was no good. I see. Right? Well, I think the flow will change now that the dealer is changed. The probability is 50-50, right? Basically. Well, almost 50-50. In other words, after that it's just about which religion you believe in. Bigger religion? Religion, well, there are different sects, you know. Do people who play Baccarat understand that? They do. There are 4 types of patterns written on the score sheet. Oh, like a chart. Yeah, the chart at the bottom. Yes. Player has 3 and then? 4 condition. Banker 4 condition. I lost. In the end, according to my sect, this is a red circle. The next one is definitely a red circle. It's banker. It's a sure thing. A lock. Really? Thank you for waiting. See, 81% of people, it's 46% now. Is there really something like a sect? Yeah, each sect has its own beliefs. Like believing in streaks. 6 condition. This 6 banker thing isn't very good. I won, but the payout is half, so I'm still down 20,000 yen. But there's that famous saying, a 6 banker is the start of a streak. My Baccarat mentor used to say that, so well, here I go. Oh, you have a mentor? Yeah, I have a Baccarat mentor. 6 banker is the start of a streak. A streak means it continues many times. If it's banker, then banker keeps winning over and over. If it's player, then player keeps winning. Banker has 0 points. It's a 0 point draw. A draw. I see, a tie. Is that mentor of yours really okay? It's fine. Next time I'll bet on a tie too. Let's put 10,000 on tie. If it's a tie, the payout is huge, right? 8 times. Tie is 8 times. Yeah, 8 times. So 10,000 becomes 80,000 and a lakh becomes 8 lakhs. Yeah, well, it's quite big. Oh, nice. Face card and 8. Okay, let's win this. It went down. Oh, stop it. 1. A tie. Nice, I got it. Seriously? Because I bet on the tie. You're a genius. Yeah, just like that. 60,000 up. If a double draw comes, it's player. It's already written that where double draws happen, it's player. It's written. Okay, 30,000 on player. I wonder if the viewers can understand that. Well, for now, double, no, they'll get it. It's written on the chart. Is that so? Yeah, after 2 ties, it's player. But when a queen is the face, I usually lose. It's a 7. Standing 7 for banker. This is bad. Nice draw. Hey, it's a triple draw. I should have bet on it again. You didn't bet this time? I didn't. A triple draw hasn't happened even once before. That means banker really wants to win this. What's with that logic? Let's put all this extra profit on banker. Isn't the probability of a draw really low? Simply put, a draw is 1 in 10. 1 in 10. Since it's the chance of numbers from 0 to 9 being the same, it's 1 in 10. I'll see. But the payout instead is, well, 8 times. So they're taking a commission there too. Yes, nice banker. Nice banker. 120,000 win. After a good stack, you're really hyped up. Well, I have great chemistry with this dealer. Yeah, I haven't lost one since the dealer changed. So far. Bro, yeah, they're changing the shooter now, so please wait for a moment. Ah, I see. At this point, some people might end up going to another table. Well, I'm one of those people. So you're going. I just can't wait. Oh, let me teach everyone another rule for winning. The dealer shows one card. An ace just came out. An ace is one which is an odd number. When it's odd, it's player. Opening game player. This is based on my years of Baccarat superstition. When it's even, it's banker. So now I've put 50,000 on player for the opening game. Starting with a face card in 10. 1. The 6th condition is bad. No good, it's banker. That's not light. Well, that happens sometimes, but it's wrong. Like I said, 6 banker is the start of a streak. So the opening game started with a 6 for banker. 6 for banker, which means the next one is banker. This is the start of a streak, so I put down 60,000 for now. Even if I lose this 60,000, I'm still up by 300. So 3,010,000 is fine.
Scary.
I can win this, I can win. Okay, banker, come on, show me a 9. Nice, a natural 9. I won. It's here. It's true, remember, a 6 on banker is the start of a streak. So, this is what they call the start of an open banza. You could say the open banza has begun. Right. So 60,000 on banker, the trick is not to change your bet as much as possible. Even if you're confident, don't increase or decrease it. Looks like I might lose. I lost. That banker streak was short. Maybe the streak hadn't even started yet. Now, here's another way to look at it. A streak can be the same side, like player or banker, winning repeatedly. Alternating Tenko, a continuous Tenko pattern is also a type of streak. After 2 banker wins, it switched to player. This double win pattern will continue. A natural 9 for banker. I see. I'm back to 3 million now. So it's a 2-1 pattern. If the next one is in banker, this is a very tough pattern to read. I'm worried about what's next. Will I be okay? I'll be on a 4th, no, a 3-game losing streak if I lose the next one. Wait, not 3. It'll be 1 win and 3 losses. They pulled a natural 9. I've got it now. If I lose the next one, I'm leaving this table. I see. It's a Tenko pattern now. I see. So it's Tenko. I'm going with banker here. It's a zigzag. Since player just got a natural 9, I'll bet on banker. I'm worried. I thought I'd have good luck with this dealer, but not really. Oh wait, I won this. Yeah, an 8 and a face card. Wait, it went down? No luck. It's no good. Yeah, let's just pull out gracefully. I'll switch from a table like this immediately. Can I say I'm having a bad run? Exactly. My luck just doesn't match this table. The chemistry with this dealer was off, so I'll change tables and cool my head. But there's no commission Baccarat and regular Baccarat. But I prefer no commission. Okay, let's try again. The opening game here was banker 2. It's been alternating banker and player, so I'll go with the pattern. I couldn't place it. Only 30,000. Well, that's fine. First, let's see how I do with this dealer in glasses. Player 2, banker 2 as well. Same for both. It turned into a 0. I'm starting to get a bit annoyed. When player wins by a narrow margin, it often wins again. So I'll bet a bit more and put 70,000 on player. 70,000? If I lose, I'm down 200,000. But player gets a 9. Yes, a natural 9 has come. Strong. Thank you very much. Now I've won back 70,000 yen, making it 2.94 million yen. This is the problem. After a natural, things change unexpectedly. So I'll go with banker here. I am going to break the player streak. That's all part of my style, my method. Okay, banker starts with a face and a 9. Yes, a picture. I pulled a natural 9. It's my style, it's my method. So you see, over 60% of the players went for banker, but The others' bets are showing. They show up, they show up. Next is gonna be player. Because the banker just had a natural 9. After the banker gets a natural 9, it goes to player. That face looks suspicious. It's a 9 for banker. It's another natural 9 for banker. Now, I have a theory. Banker's naturals will continue. A streak must have started, huh? But looking at the roadmap here, it's alternating blue, red. So next is blue, player. It's player. This is the bottom left roadmap. There are 4 roadmaps and the bottom left one is blue, red. Next is blue. See here, naturally. Just like that. For now, let's trust the bottom left roadmap. And I won. Now it's 2.97 million yen. That means the next one is a red circle. So this will be player. For those watching, look at the bottom left roadmap. I'm going with player here. The method is very clear. Right. Each roadmap, look, it's a face and a 9. Just need to pull a picture. Yes, oh, it dropped a bit. A standing 6. It held on. It held. Player 1. Amazing. So now it's 3.01 million yen. It's decided that I'll keep trusting the bottom left. Next is player 2. As you can all see, player is coming up next. A blue circle appears on the bottom left. Then, in the middle, below the middle, next is a red circle. No doubt, from 5, a vertical. Oh, it became a 1. Banker 7, this is a tight spot. I lost. These things happen, nah? You just said I lost with the same energy as I won. It happens. But as for what to trust, let's trust the main line. Oh wait, no. Let's trust the bottom right. The bottom right shows blue, so next is player. Sorry, I could only bet 20,000. But next is player. The bottom right has been blue. This little mark, this tick mark. Blue tick. Oh, it's a pair. I forgot about the pairs. I see. Player 1, so that's fine. But I forgot about the pairs. Let me explain. A pair just came. After the same numbers appear, another pair is likely. So I'll bet 10,000 on each. And the blue tick is banker. The next bottom right blue tick is banker. So I put 60,000 on banker. And 10,000 on each pair. Look, a pair came. Seriously, it's a pair. Perfect. All 8s came out just now. It's a tie with pair. Now it's suddenly 3,200,000 yen. At times like this, you must never forget to make an offering to the god of pairs. I'm not betting on the main line right now. I just placed 10,000 yen each on pair as a way of saying thank you for letting me win this pair. It's okay if this doesn't come. Oh look, it came. It came again. A banker pair came. See? What is this? Did the banker win just now? Now, please look at the cards. 2 aces and 2 5s have dropped. Make sure to place on this pair next time too, definitely. And the banker won. But it looks like a blue circle is coming, so I'll go with banker. By blue circle is coming, I'm referring to the middle line at the bottom. The blue circle is extending, so I placed it on the banker. Am I a genius or what? Banker has 0 points. No, wait, with the banker's third card. See, I won. The banker drew a 9 on the third card and won. The little mark on the bottom right turned red. So let's ignore the bottom right for now. The middle bottom, this blue circle is extending, so don't forget to place it on the player. I could only place 40,000 yen, even though I was confident. It's 3,290,000 yen now. From a 7, as long as it stops at the worst, it's okay. Far from the worst. I drew a 2 and got a natural 9. Thank you very much. Right, let's keep trusting the middle bottom for now. It's amazing. Something about this streamer. Player again. Next, it's player again. Is this really the first time? He's explaining everything so well. Yeah, and you know, I have one more rule. Or rather, a style of my own. When betting on the player, I use odds before. Look, I drew a natural 8. Yes, I won. 70,000 yen, right? I'll bet an odd 70,000 yen. When going for the banker, I bet even amounts like 60,000 or 40,000 yen. There's a style even to the bet amounts. There is. Next. Okay, the blue circles are continuing, everyone. Right, so it's banker. I'll put down 40,000 yen. It's banker. It's an even number. That's right. It's even. Because when half is taken as commission, for example, I hate it when odd fractions are created. That's my style, so I decided banker is always even. Yes, banker drew a natural 8. I won. So strong. Yes, The total amount is now 3,480,000 yen. You mean you've already won 500,000? That's right, even though I was losing at first. That god of bear smiled upon me, so I'm making an overwhelming comeback. Now for the player, the blue circle is extending on the bottom middle line, so I went with player. Yes, player natural line. Thank you very much. Seriously? What are you doing? What's going on? It's now 3,530,000 yen. The blue circles are continuing. Next is banker. Most people will probably go for banker here. But I'm a bit unsure, so I'll just put about 40,000 yen here. Yeah. This is it. In other words, this is what I'm trusting right now. 90% of the common folk are also trusting the banker. That's rude. Yes, I'll win with the 4 conditions. The 4 conditions when you're on a roll like this. Wait, what?